Welcome to Mana Teacher class. My dear students, today we will discussing about trigonometry chapter 11 in class 10. In previous classes we are discussed about triangles and properties of triangles also. Here also we discussed about a right angle triangle. Here ratios also. Now naming the sides in a right angle triangle. Here first you have to draw a right angle triangle. So this is the right angle triangle. So this is right angle. Now name it A, B and C. In triangle ABC, angle B equals to 90 degrees. Now you have to take theta here. Theta is an angle in the given right angle triangle. Now theta is an acute angle which is less than 90 degrees. Now which is opposite side of theta is BC. BC is opposite side of theta. So this is opposite side. Now AB is adjacent side. Side of theta. This is adjacent side. Adjacent side. Now AC is hypotenuse. AC is hypotenuse. In this right angle triangle, AC is the longest side in this triangle. Now ratios of sides. First one, sin theta. Sin theta equals to opposite side of theta by hypotenuse. Opposite side. Opposite side of theta by hypotenuse. That equals to, in this one which is opposite BC. BC by hypotenuse is AC. This is sin theta. Now cos theta. Cos theta equals to adjacent side. Adjacent side of theta by hypotenuse. That equals to AB by AC. Third ratio, tan theta. Tan theta equals to opposite side of theta by adjacent side of theta. Opposite side of theta by adjacent side. That equals to BC by AB. So these are the ratios in the given right angle triangle. Now we will discussing about the reciprocals of these ratios. Okay, dear children, next we are discussing about multiplicative inverse of these ratios: sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. Now remaining three ratios also there. First, sin here, cosec theta equals to 1 by sin theta. Cosec means multiplicative inverse of sin theta. Now from this, cosec theta equals to 1 by sin theta, BC opposite by hypotenuse. Here opposite by hypotenuse is nothing but cosec theta equals to hypotenuse by opposite, that equals to, in this one AC is opposite hypotenuse by opposite side is BC. So cosec theta equals to AC by BC. Next, sec theta. Sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta. Already you know about cos theta ratio. Here sec theta equals to 1 by cos means adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here hypo means hypotenuse. From this, sec theta equals to hypo by adjacent. Yes, here denominator there, adjacent by hypotenuse. This will be reciprocal, hypo by adjacent. That equals to hypo means AC. AC by AB. This is sec theta. Third ratio is cot. Here cot theta equals to 1 by tan theta. Already you know about tan theta. Cot theta equals to 1 by, here tan means opposite side by adjacent side, right? Here opposite by adjacent. Now write cot theta equals to adjacent by opposite. That equals to adjacent side is AB by opposite side is BC. So these are the 6 ratios in a right angle triangle. Okay.